I like to work with my hands. I like color. I like having an idea and seeing it become something real. And it's relaxing, especially if you remember that the crafting police are not going to come and get you. You know, you can just make whatever you want. And it's always a nice counterbalance to the work, you know, you do in everyday life. And you get a chance to get out of your head and just get into colors and decorating and ideas. It's fun.
Life has challenges along the way, and my challenges were being primary caregivers to parents as they were beginning to age, and I needed an outlet. And you know, as your kids are growing up, you know, you kind of are focused all about kids activities, you know, soccer, baseball, football, whatever, and your life is really not your own. And also I work full time, so there's always challenges there. So I just decided at that point when, you know, first my dad became ill and then passed away, and then my mom had been diagnosed with Alzheimer's and had really struggled for a long, long time. And about that time, my last child went off to college, and I was like, I'm not gonna sit home and feel sorry for myself.
I don't exercise. I don't go to the gym, but crafting, I just sit down and I do what I want to do. I create with whatever medium, whatever stamp, whatever, anything. And some people exercise, some people read, and they get lost. Like my mom will read and it'll be nighttime before she knows it. And that's how I am with crafting. I just go into my zone and the time goes by.
At this point in the stage of my life, it's a stress releaser. You know, I just can kick back, have me time. I can do it whenever I want. I have my own little craft room. I get away from it all, and it's just total stress reliever. And I love, you know, finishing something and having a final product.
A lot of people I've run into say, well, I can't craft, I don't have any art, you know, I couldn't draw a stick figure. You can. When you're a little kid, you give them crayons and a piece of paper, they don't say anything, but they just they start drawing. That's, I think, how we have to be. Not so self-critical and self-judging. Just make something. You'll be surprised at how good it feels just to make it.
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching.